Hey everybody, it's Tom. So I asked ChatGPT their opinion. Should people buy term insurance or whole life insurance? And for the most part, I totally agree with the answers given. The choice between term insurance and whole life insurance depends on your financial goals and needs. Here's a comparison to help you decide. Term insurance, best for affordability, lower premiums than whole life. Fixed term covers you for a specific period, 10 years, 20 years, or 30 years. I can get some people, depending on your age, up to 40 years of term insurance. Great for temporary needs, ideal for income replacement, mortgage protection, or covering children's education. Absolutely agree with that. No cash value. No, there is not. If you outlive the policy, there's no payment unless you renew or convert it to a permanent policy, which would be either a whole life policy or a universal policy. So to wrap it up with term insurance, best for young families, those on a budget, or people needing coverage for a set period. And I would have also said for young people that may not need life insurance right now, but while you're young and healthy, you might as well get it. And you can always have that option to convert, God forbid your health fails somehow. Okay, let's go on to whole life insurance. Lifetime coverage never expires as long as premiums are paid. Yes. Builds cash value. Acts like a savings account growing over time with tax benefits. The tax benefits that they're talking about is you're paying for this the premium after tax, typically, unless you have some sort of business arrangement. Yes, the cash value builds tax free. And this is, we're talking about dividends. Dividends are never guaranteed, but I work with the best companies out there, the most secure companies, and they've never missed a dividend payment. But dividends are never guaranteed. Okay. Can be borrowed against. You can take loans from your policy's cash value. Yes, you absolutely can. That shouldn't be a reason to buy whole life insurance, though. Expensive premiums, typically 5 to 15 times more costly than term insurance premiums. That is true. I find that they're usually about 10 times more expensive for whole life for the same amount of insurance. The premiums would be about 10 times more, okay? But someone is going to end up with that money as long as you're paying the premium. So it's going to be either you, whether you cash it out eventually, maybe annuitize it, or you pass away and your beneficiaries get it. Complexity. Investment returns may be lower than other financial options. Well, whole life insurance is not supposed to be sold as a financial product because it's not. It's a whole life insurance product that typically pays dividends, but it's not a substitute for, like, say, a 401k, a 457, a 403b. If you're not a stock person, if you're not a person that wants to invest in the stock market or bonds, then maybe just putting everything in a whole life insurance policy might not be a bad idea, but that's something that we would need to discuss, or you would need to discuss with your life insurance agent. Okay, moving right on right here. Best for high net worth individuals. We're talking about whole life here. Estate planning, or those wanting lifelong coverage with savings benefits. Which should you choose? If you need affordable temporary coverage, go with term insurance. If you want permanent coverage and a cash value component, consider whole life insurance, but weigh whether the higher cost is worth it. Some people start with term insurance and let it convert to whole life if their financial situation allows. Yeah, that's absolutely true. Would you like help comparing specific policies? Well, if you do, my contact information will be down below. So if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up, consider subscribing. And if you think anybody might benefit from this video or a conversation with me, feel free to pass this along, or my contact information. Once again, this is Tom Donnelly. If you decide to get life insurance and you have a trusted advisor or a trusted life insurance agent, don't delay. Call now and put this policy in place from your trusted advisor. If you don't, you do now. I'm a really honest life insurance agent. Love to help people out. Feel free to contact me. And once again, my information will be down below. Hope you all have a good day. Oops, sorry about that. Hope you all have a good day and be safe out there.